friends, welcome back to Agnes Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious dessert called fruit salad. But before we continue, please make sure to go down there, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. It would really help my channel. And these are the ingredients. Let's get started! One cup of red grapes, 1 cup of green grapes, half cup of sliced peaches, 2 pears sliced, 2 apples sliced, 1 can of fruit cocktail, and let's mix them together. Now you have to pour 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of mango pulp, and now let's mix it all together. Now let's add 4 cups of vanilla ice cream, which is 1 liter. Now let's mix all together. So friends, my fruit salad is all ready now. So the best part is now tasting it. So for my topping, I'm going to add some jelly. It's so delicious! Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.